Okay guys, welcome to this training. I'm going to show you how to convert your altcoins, okay, the crypto coins, to your favorite coin, let's say from a smaller or unknown coin to a Bitcoin or Ethereum, and also how to convert your Bitcoin into cash so you can deposit that in your checking account. Because I'm doing that because a lot of my students have been asking me how to show them how to do that. So I'm going to do that now. But before I go there, I have something interesting, guys. For those of you, I have a student with me here online, one of my private students. She is learning how to trade binary options and how to make money trading binary options. Last week, we were training on how to do the Forex trading. And a couple months ago, we started trading crypto stocks, and now we are on binary options because she wants to learn how to make money fast, quickly, using what we call binary options. This is quick money because all you have to do is come onto the charts like we have here, and you can see right now she has taken 3 trades and they are all in the money. You can see that right here. I'm just hoping they're gonna hold. You can see where the mouse is, and she's using a simple line chart and this meter right here. Okay, this is provided by the broker. In this case here, the broker is POCKETOPTION. And if you guys don't have a POCKETOPTION account, you can open a free demo account. The link is in the description, guys. Those of you who are watching on YouTube, this video, the link is in the description. And she's actually in the money. Okay, you can see that these are already going into the money. They're all going into profit. You can see 20. There you go. They are going into profit, and boom. Okay, they all went into the money. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys very quickly, and then I'll jump into the crypto questions that I've been asked today. I'm going to show you everything. So stay here until the end of this webinar. It's a live webinar. For those of you who are going to watch on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to our channel, the Smart Wolf Club channel. We are going places, guys. This is your year, and we are identifying at least 1,000 people from all over the world that we're going to work with and get them to the $1 million mark. Okay, now we've done that before, and we're going to continue doing this. A lot of gurus I see on Instagram, most of them have gone through our training. Okay, somebody is asking, why are you guys not known? Because we are underground. Okay, it was not until the pandemic time when we decided, you know what, we're going to help our brothers and sisters learn how to make money and put bread on the table. The reason is because it touched close to our hearts. Okay, there's a lot of coaches in the Smart Wolf Club. We have coaches from all over the world. These are individuals who've been doing this for many, many years. Anything online. Some of us have been online since 1998. Yes, since 1998. I can see some of people are saying, how comes you're not known? How comes you're not on Instagram? How comes you don't flex on Instagram? How comes we don't know you? How comes you don't have big YouTube channels? How comes you don't have huge TikToks or Facebook groups? We are underground, okay? We are just regular guys, okay? Look outside your window. Who do you see? Your neighbor, right? So we are just like your neighbors. Regular guys right outside your neighborhood. And that's how we like it, and we keep it that way. But we are down in the trenches. We breathe, live, and do this every day. Okay, so whatever we teach our students, whatever we coach our students on, it's something that we do every single day. And we have trainers and coaches from all over the world. For example, on here right now, there's Tajimoto from Tokyo, Japan. He's been with us for over 15 years. Very, very successful when it comes to crypto trading, digital marketing, stocks trading, Forex trading, and just name it. Anything online, we've been there, done that. We've paid for all kinds of trainings. We've been to mastermind, $100,000 mastermind per weekend, $10,000 weekend training. We've been there, done that. We've read all kinds of books. We've bought all kinds of courses. We have jumped from one shiny object to another. We have used all types of indicators. We've paid for all kinds of subscriptions. Even up to now, we still do that. The idea is to amass that knowledge, and then we share that with our members. And now we are doing this with the permission of some of our students. We are sharing our trainings for free. okay, on YouTube. We started this YouTube channel. Right now, I think we have about 1,000 subscribers. Guys, we want to grow this to at least 5,000 before the end of this quarter, guys. We need to get to 5,000 because from there, we can get our 1,000 people, okay? We're going to draw the 1,000 people from our social media channels, okay? We are only going to enroll 1,000 people into our programs. We're going to take 1,000 people, work one-on-one with them to the $1 million mark. Now, if you want to be one of them, just start by subscribing to the channel, okay? Subscribe to the Smart Wolf Club channel, hit the bell notification, and like the video, okay? Then make sure you join the Smart Wolf Club community, okay? The links are in the description, guys. Now, we also have social media. We just opened some social media channels. We have a Telegram group. Link is in the description. Go and join, okay? Most people come in there and they leave because they're like, okay, now if you don't ask your questions, we cannot provide any answers, okay? This is a channel for you to communicate with our coaches, okay, with us. Ask your questions, you'll get an answer, okay? If you don't ask, we don't give you answers. We don't know what you need, okay? Like right now, I have a student online here, and we can do this from anywhere in the world. I'm in one part of the world. She's in another part of the world. Like she's almost like 22 hours flight from where I am. She's 22 hours away, okay, by flight, direct flight, far away. She's in Sydney. I'm in the Middle East at the moment. Guys, look at that. She is far away. We have coaches from Africa. Malemala, for example, from South Africa. He's been with us for over 12 years. If you're from Cape Town, Mr. Malemala, South Africa, with a huge group. He's doing a wonderful stuff, training members of his community how to make money online, trading binary options, crypto, which is the in thing, guys. Crypto, the Bitcoins, the Ethereums, stocks, okay? Stocks have been there for many, many years. A lot of us have been doing that for many years. Forex, again, very popular. Digital marketing, okay, that is the bread and butter of this community. Digital marketing, this is where you can put $10 and 10x that. You put $1, you make $10. You put $10, you make $100 easily by following these simple strategies that we teach you. For example, you could, if you have some finance, some money, you can start doing what we call advertising, social media advertising, TikTok ads, Snapchat ads, Instagram shout outs. You can get TikTok ads. You guys go to TikTok and watch those funny cat videos. Millions of dollars are being made from that, okay? Just by you watching those videos, somebody's making money. Some of you enjoy YouTube ads, YouTube shorts, YouTube videos, okay? Some of you have subscribed to many, many channels. While you're watching those videos, you see some ads, right? Somebody's making money out of that, okay? Somebody's making money by you watching the ads, and if you subscribe or you buy any of those services that are being advertised, they make money. So we show you how to do that, to be the one behind the scenes, okay? You make money by not even creating your own videos, okay? You don't have to be in front of a camera. You can leverage the power of YouTube to make life-changing incomes. We teach you how to do that, how you become a YouTube partner in the Smart Wolf Club community, okay? And you can do that from anywhere in the world. You guys are talking about, I see a lot of my students come and I ask them, what are your dreams? My dreams are to travel, have a nice home, have a nice family, have money for school, take care of my family. You can do that easily, okay? And we recommend that most of our members have at least 6 sources of income. Now, we have all types of members, okay? We have professionals, doctors, nurses, engineers, tree surgeons, landscapers, painters, plumbers, stay-home mom, stay-home dad, students, full-time students in our community. We have professional financial traders. We have people who trade the markets every day who are part of our communities. But whatever we are sharing with you here, let me put a disclaimer, is not professional financial advice. It's not legal advice. It's not investment advice, okay? We're just sharing this for your educational purposes, so do your own research. If you need professional advice, please seek that from licensed individuals. None of us is licensed. I am not licensed. None of my coaches are licensed. They just share the experience. They've been doing this for a very, very, very long time. And we know experience is a good teacher. It's the mother of all teachers, okay? So we share exactly what we have done and we show you. If you are like, for example, my private student, we show them exactly where to click, where to go, and things that we do every day. Now, are there guarantees that you're going to be successful? There are no guarantees in life, guys. There was no guarantee that I'll wake up this morning, okay? Even though I'm a believer, there was no guarantee. I prayed about it, but there was no guarantee, right? I didn't sign any contract that I'll wake up this morning, but I'm so happy, thanks to the power of the Almighty, that I'm here. Okay, before we proceed, let us say a word of prayer. Father, in the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray that whoever is going to apply this training shall become successful. In the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray. Amen. Thank you, guys. It doesn't matter what you believe in, guys. Whatever you believe in, there are three things you have to do. Learn. Learn everything about what you believe. Learn, okay? Practice. Very, very important. You have to practice what you have learned. Then, number three, the third thing you have to do is teach others. Share with the brothers and sisters, okay? The master teacher says, do those three things, and you see the magic of everything. If you teach others, two things happen. You get better, okay? One of the master teachers has said that the teacher gets better, okay? Whoever is teaching gets better. And I have seen that happen to me. When I started doing this many years ago, decades ago, I thought it was just for me. It was good, it was nice, did it for myself. Not until I started sharing with other people did I see this magic, the power of everything. Whenever you share something, there's some magic that happens in that, because your student gets better. You get better. Your student learns. They acquire the skill. Okay, if I teach you a skill, if I teach you how to trade the markets, like right now I'm showing you, this is binary options, and I'm showing you the platform, Pocket Option. There are many platforms that we work with. Pocket Options, IQCENT, IQ Options, Cortex, Videx, Nadex, Forex, Nadex, depending on which part of the world you come from, okay? Now, check with your local regulators. Some of these, like binary options, is illegal in some countries. So check where you're from. Make sure it's something. We don't want you to be involved in any illegal businesses or any illegal ventures, financial investment, because you stand to lose all the time. If you involve yourself with anything illegal, trust me, you're going to lose. It's just a matter of time. They're going to catch up with you, okay? So don't do that. Do your own due diligence. Make sure whatever you're doing is legal, okay? That's why I have to come here very clearly and put a disclaimer, guys. What I'm providing with you is not financial advice. It's not investment advice. It's not legal advice, okay? If you need that, get professional help, okay? If you need to invest your monies that you have saved over the years, please get financial help from individuals who are licensed. What we are sharing with you is for your education, okay? We want an educated person. We want you to be educated. So you know these opportunities are out there. And you can learn these skills online, offline. It doesn't matter. One-on-one. Okay, we have students who come to us one-on-one. Right now, she's on here. Sydney, from Sydney, Australia. Okay? Nancy is on here. That's her name, Nancy. She's on here. She's camera shy. I would not pull her up on the screen. She is camera shy. But this is her screen. She's sharing her screen with me. And she has taken the trades that we just saw, went into profit. And all I'm doing is, on the background, I'm showing her what went wrong, what went right, what we should do, and we are sharing ideas. Because every day is a new thing. The market is totally different every day. This market is dynamic. It changes every day. What I saw yesterday is not what I'm seeing today. It's totally different. Okay? So even though we are trading OTCs, these change. You're trading against the brokers here. So they are manipulating this market differently. Okay, guys? So basically, so what I'm saying is, we are all learning. There's no strategy out there that's 100%. Okay, you got to learn the strategy, master the strategy. Guys, I'm still coming to those of you who are waiting for the Bitcoin, how to change your crypto from one coin to another. I'm coming to that too, but it's coming. Stay up to the end of this video, because I know most people are very impatient. You want to jump into another funny video, watch another cut video. Learn these strategies, guys. Learn. I'm going to show you something here that can change your life, okay? No guarantees, though, but I'm going to show you something for free that can actually change your life, okay? So all you have to do is go down to the description, get a Pocket Option account, okay? Get the free demo account. We start from the demo account, okay? Because all the trainings are done on the demo account. Now, somebody is asking me, why on the demo account? Because it's always very different when you're trading on the demo account and when you're trading on the real account, okay? The psychology behind it is totally different. But you can get used to the markets. You can get used to taking the trades, analyzing. You can do the analysis. You can learn how to analyze, how to practice your strategy before you even go and take a risk on the live accounts. Because on the live accounts, now, it's a totally different mindset, because you stand a chance to lose your hard-earned cash. You know, in the demo, you're using the broker's money, okay? So Pocket Options gives you a free demo account, okay? Free demo. You can put as much money as you want, and you can practice, take all the trades, take at least 100 trades, and make sure you win at least 90% of those using the strategy before you even attempt to take a trade in the live account. Because in the live account, this is where the rubber meets the road, guys. You are likely gonna blow your account the first time you start trading. A lot of students blow accounts, okay? You might blow several accounts before you become profitable. Let me be very honest with you, okay? You might blow a number of accounts. You might lose some money, okay? You might even lose your entire investment, okay? Consider that part of your learning tuition, okay? Some of you, when we were growing up, what did our parents tell us? They told us, go to school, get good grades, get really good grades, go to college, get a good degree. And they had to pay tuition. If you're lucky, some of you, you had to pay your own tuition. You had to work your way through college. Okay, you had to pay some money. And some of you didn't have to. The government had to sponsor you, or some charity had to sponsor you. But still, somebody had to pay for it, the tuition, right? Maybe you got scholarships. So somebody somewhere had to pay for it, a foundation or charitable organization. Like I know some of our members here, they trade and they donate to charities. They sponsor students from different countries, poor countries, rich countries. It doesn't matter. Okay, we are all the same. And trust me, we've been to so many countries. And anytime you ask somebody, they talk about the same stuff. We are all the same. We share the same visions and views. They want a good family. They want something good for their kids. They want a good home. They want a good house, good food, good health. Everybody, they want to travel. Okay, people have realized now that the world is bigger than just your village, especially with the internet. Most people have cell phones which can access the internet. So you can see what is happening around the world. Okay, you cannot you cannot just close yourself in a bubble, in a shell, and you don't know what is going around. Most people want to travel. They want to explore. People realize life is not just concentrated on your small dwelling, on your house or your village or your home. No, the world is bigger than that. So most people have appreciated that. And that's why you hear people talking about traveling. They want to tour. They have these places. They want to go and see the wonders of the world. They want to visit Africa. They want to visit the Americas. They want to go to the Caribbean. They want to take a cruise. They want to visit the mountains. They want to hike the Himalayas. They want to visit China. They want to visit South America. They want to go to Australia. They want to visit Antarctica. They want to visit all these the Scandinavian countries. They want to see the great northern lights. People want to explore, okay? And the reason is because we have realized the world is bigger than our village or our cities or our suburbs. Now, for you to be able to do that, you have to have some sort of skin in the game. You must have some money, either saved or inherited, or money that you're actively making or working for it. So the other easy way to do that is to learn skills. You can learn a skill like this one. learn how to trade the markets. Okay, you come in here with your small investment and then applying the best strategy, following proper risk management. Okay, always never invest. The cardinal rule is simple. Okay, this is like a disclaimer to me. Never ever go into any investment, online or offline, with monies that you cannot afford to lose. Because look, you can lose your investment, entire investment or part of it. Anytime you put money into the markets or into an investment, just know that you can lose. You stand a chance, 50-50% chance that you can lose your entire investment, or you can make some profit. There are no guarantees. Nobody can ever guarantee. If I come here and tell you, oh no, you're going to make 100% chance, there's a 100% guarantee that you're going to make money, I'm lying to you. Okay, and I don't do that. Okay, I tell my students, I've been doing this for a long time, but that does not mean you come here and become rich the next day. No, these are not get rich quick schemes. Okay, it's not lottery. It's not gambling. Okay, so you cannot come here, gamble your $10 and expect to make $1 million, or gamble your $100 and expect to make 10,000 or 100,000 out of it. You could literally, boom, lose the $100. We have blown accounts from thousands of dollars, boom, all lost in one trade. One wrong move. You just take a trade, boom, the market turns against you and you cannot get out of it. Boom, you lose the account. But if you follow proper risk management, like I'm telling my student here, look, this account here has 965, okay? She started at $1,000. She blew this, almost lost this account. Now she's building it up to 965, okay? So Nancy is learning how to trade binary options. So she's tried to preserve this account, okay? The idea is to grow this account, take at least 100 trades with the same strategy and see if she has a over 90% win rate on the demo. Once you can do that. Sorry about that. I had to look into my phone. I was getting like an alert, so I just wanted to see what is going on because I'm expecting some people to be visiting for training, and that's why I was looking on my phone to see if there was any update. So after this webinar, I have another class, but this is going to be in person, and it's a group of people that are coming for one-on-one training on the crypto thing that we're talking about. They want us to set up their mining, pool mining. I don't know if any of you guys know what mining is, crypto mining, okay, where you make passive income, okay? You buy a pool and the pool pays you some percentage based on what is the hash rates and what is happening in the area, in the particular crypto, and that way you make some passive income, okay? So we are going to be doing that in the next hour or so once we finish this training. So that's why I was checking the update. Where are they at the moment? Okay. So guys, that was just by the way, and I'm showing you what Nancy is doing here, and then I'll jump into showing you how you can exchange your crypto from any coin. Okay, you might have a useless coin or a coin that you think is gonna go down or blow up, and you want to convert that into a safer coin, into another coin. Let's say you're holding, I can give you an example of a good coin. Let's say you're holding Solana, but you literally feel like you don't want to hold the Solana anymore and you want to convert it into Bitcoin, and then from Bitcoin, or you want to convert your Bitcoin into USDT. So you have some use for the USDT. Maybe you have to sign up for something, or you want to get into some e-farm, crypto farming or staking opportunity, and you want to convert one crypto coin into another crypto coin. And then also I can show you how you can convert your crypto coin into cash that you can use, put into your bank account or your debit, and start spending that way. Okay, because some people have crypto coins which they probably inherited, or they participated in some activities online and somebody paid you in crypto and now you don't know what to do with the crypto. I have students who come like they say, hey, I have so much XRP that I got from this pool that I joined, and they gave us 100, 200, 300 thousands of XRP, but I don't know what to do with it. And for me to spend it, I need to convert it into cash. So I'll show you how you can do that. You can convert it into dollars or your local currency, and you can deposit that in your bank. Okay. And I'm going to show you that. Okay. And whatever I'm sharing with you guys is not financial advice. It's not professional advice, and it's not legal advice. If you need all that, please seek that from licensed individuals. What I'm sharing with you is just my experience. I mean, things that my community is doing and things that my students are doing, things that I do, and they seem to help me. And if you feel that can help you, go ahead, do your own due diligence, do your own research, check, because we are all from different places, different countries. Different countries have different rules and laws and regulations, especially concerning investments like stocks, crypto. There's a lot of countries where probably crypto is illegal. Okay. So some countries where crypto is not allowed, or some platforms are not allowed to trade. So you have to use platforms that are legal, registered in your jurisdictions. I know some countries have recently embraced cryptocurrency. Okay. If you guys watch the news, you see what is happening in Ecuador. You can look it up and see what's going on there. I know some countries have very strict regulations, or they're still working on regulations. So there's a lot of gray area. Whether do you need to go full-time or part-time into crypto. So again, that's one other thing. Now, Forex, for example, some countries, Forex is not allowed. Okay. They consider that to be like gambling. Binary options trading is not allowed in some countries. It's outlawed. Okay. And most of these brokers are not regulated or registered in some countries, but you can always do your research and find regulated brokers in certain countries in your country. Now, we've done videos before, training before, and I shared those on the Smart Wolf Club. You can go and check it out. There's a video on cryptocurrency trading, and we talked about which brokers are available in which parts of the world, and you can try those out. We have so many of them. Pocket Option, it's here. There's IQCENT, you can check them out. Pocket Option, I have the links in the description. Cortex, I have the link in the description. There are many others, Nadex, okay? For those of you in the United States, for example, you can check them out and check whether that is legal in your country there and they're regulated there. If you're in Canada, the same thing. You can check Nadex if they're regulated in your country or not. I mean, I'm just giving you examples, okay? It's not financial advice, guys. So, and then, of course, pay attention to that simple cardinal rule of never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. Okay, if you need the money for rent, to pay your bills, please do not trade that money. Do not invest that money, because you can lose the money and you may end up losing your shot or getting yourself into some sort of financial difficulty or debt, or because you can lose your money. It doesn't matter what type of business you get yourself into, whether it's online or offline or crypto or stocks, or you're starting a brick and mortar store. There's no guarantee that you're going to make money. No guarantees. And if anybody is telling you that, invest your money here, you're going to make money, they're lying to you. Okay, there are no guarantees. Nobody knows what's going to happen in the market. Okay, who knew the pandemic was going to strike? And you saw what happened. One of my students here, they lost their business during the pandemic. Okay, they had a restaurant business. They had 3 restaurants which had been passed on in the family for generations, and they had to close them because of the closures and restrictions. And now she has to learn these skills that can allow her to make money online, okay, irrespective of location or whatever is going on around in the environment. You can still trade, you can still do digital marketing, you can reach your clients online, because most of them are online, by simply putting an advertisement or creating content. This content could be free content, could be paid for content. And sometimes you don't even have to create it yourself. We show you how to use leverage other resources, like, for example, artificial intelligence to create your content, or you can outsource, okay, where you use virtual assistants from other countries where you pay them pennies on the dollar, okay? $3 a day to have somebody manage your Instagram account, or $3 a day to have somebody create you YouTube shorts, YouTube videos. I mean, we show you all these things. So then you make the decision. You are the ultimate decision maker, okay? We just show you what is possible there for you. We show you the fruits, how you reach and how you can reach the fruits. We tell you the pathway, but you decide to go get the fruits. How many you want to get, it's up to you, okay? We are all adults. We cannot force you. We cannot guarantee you any success, okay? We can show you this is where the food is, but we're not going to force you to eat. We can actually literally put it in your mouth, but we cannot force you to chew the food. We can decide, okay, we're going to make it in puree, but we cannot swallow it for you, okay? We can put it in liquid, chew it, make it, crush it, put it in your mouth. But if you don't want to swallow it, then we can't swallow it for you, okay? We can force you, maybe put a tube in your stomach and push the food in there, but again, a lot of it is going to depend on you. Are you going to hold it, or are you going to throw it up, or it's all based on you. So a lot of things depend on you, okay? And that's why we talk about the mindset piece. The mindset piece is so critical in succeeding online, not only online, in any business or even in life, okay? If you don't have a proper mindset, my brother, my sister, let me be very honest with you. You're not going to amount to anything. You must have the proper mindset. And how do you get the proper mindset? Because I know you've had this story many times. You've had people talking about this you've probably been to motivational speakers. They pump you up on Friday night, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, when you go back to your job that you don't like and meet your old friends, your broke uncle, John, your broke aunt, Mary, and boom, everything goes out of the window. You come back to, you wither like a flower on a hot day. Literally, okay? You wither like a flower. That was said by one of the foremost speakers that I still respect up to today. May the Lord rest his soul in peace. He talked about that, and I listened to that, and it still rings in my mind. It's one of the best, biggest mindset piece that anyone can share with you guys. And I'm sharing that with you guys because I care about you. I care about my student Nancy, but Nancy has allowed me to share this training with you guys publicly. That's why I called for our webinar, and there's about 1,000 of you on here, and I'm going to share this on YouTube too. That the mindset piece is so important in any field, okay? The difference between somebody who is very successful in life and somebody who is not is their mindset. If you get the mindset piece right, everything else falls into place. This is the biggest chip that you have to solve the mystery. And most people don't achieve their potential, don't live there to their potential because their mindset piece is not right. It's not fitted right. It's not the right piece. Could be a duplicate, could be a clone. It's not the right one. It's not the original piece. It's not the exact piece. It's not fitting in place properly. So if we can all figure out our mindset piece, everything else is going to fall into place. All the other chips will fall into place. Okay? Trust me, because I have seen this. I have trained so many people. And the difference between one of my students that succeeds, Nancy is here. She's been doing very well in the last few months that we have worked. She probably has the right mindset piece right now falling into place. We just need to position it, move it a little bit, tweak it a little bit so that she gets the right mindset. Don't let these other things distract you, distractions. Okay, we talk about the FCC, guys, in the Smart Wolf Club. Okay, those of you who are already members, you probably have gone through that 1-hour training lecture where we talk about FCC. FCC. F as in Frank, C as in Charlie, C as in Charlie. What does that stand for? Focus, confidence, and consistency. Those three things. If you lack those three attributes, my friend, it doesn't matter if I come here and give you gold and tell you, here is gold, I want you to make a gold bracelet out of it. You will still not be able to make a gold bracelet. I've given you all the gold, I've given you all the tools, I've given you all the videos to show you step by step how to convert this block of gold into a bracelet, a gold bracelet. You will still not do it if you do not have FCC, if you lack the focus, if you lack the confidence, and if you lack consistency. Anything that is going to make you successful requires consistency. A lot of people lack that, okay? We have what we call the microwave mentality. I call it the MM. We suffer from the MM syndrome. MM syndrome. Guys, how many of you, by the show of hands, let me see, how many of you suffer from the MM syndrome? MM syndrome. The microwave mentality syndrome. How many of you? Be honest, guys. Let me see by the show of hands. Put a 1 on the chat box if you suffer from MM, or if you have suffered from MM before. There's about 1,000 of you guys here, so I need to see at least 1,000 ones on this chat box. Keep them coming. Be honest. There you go. There you go, guys. Yep, that is a lot, okay? That's a lot, that's a lot, that's a lot. There is a lot of MMs. There is a lot. And I talk to my friends, I talk to my coaches. We have all suffered that microwave mentality. You want it now, okay? You don't have the patience to sit down and go through the steps, follow the recipe and make your own dish. No, you want to grab that one, put it in the microwave, 20 seconds later, you want to eat it and believe that it's going to serve you correctly. It's going to be healthy for you. It's going to be satisfying for you. That's what's called the microwave mentality. We come into a market like this, okay? You open an account, demo account. I just told you to open a demo account. You want to just open the demo account and go directly to the live trade and put your $100 and boom, boom, boom on the other side. Cha-ching, cha-ching, $1,000 right there. The fast trade. You want to double your account, triple your account, and you want to be out there on Instagram or TikTok or YouTube or Facebook or texting or flexing around your friends, your neighbors, everybody. Material stuff, okay? It's human nature. So this microwave mentality has denied a lot of people chances. The MM syndrome has affected a lot of people. And here is the medicine for the MM syndrome. Apply the FCC principle, okay? We use the FCC principle to counter the MM syndrome, okay? So you learn how to be focused, develop focus, confidence, up the roof, consistency. Key, very, very key. So how do you become focused? Focus. Still the same, all the things work. Focus, fast, define, clearly define. Clearly state your dream. What are your dreams? Identify the dream, the things that you aspire, the things that you want to be. So the dream house, dream home, dream family, dream vacation, dream they want to travel, the dreams. Okay, write them down. Put them on paper. Now, most people now cannot even write, cannot even spell their names. Okay, dictate them. Do dictate them on your phone or on an app. Have them saved somewhere where you can easily read them every day, every hour. If need be, you can retrieve them, easily retrievable, and where you can see them, you can feel them, you can listen to them, you can touch them, you can read them. Whatever apps you have to use to do that, that's up to you. I let you do that. Okay, have them written down. Okay, now, the second point is put a dollar value. Each one of them, put a dollar amount. Okay, So like now, my students, under the DGE strategy, we teach you in the Smart Wolf Club to find these dollar values, because if it is not clearly defined, then it is vague in your mind, and therefore there's going to be shortly lack of focus, because you do not clearly define, know what you want, where you want to be, when and how and where. So we clearly answer all those questions, okay, by first focusing. We want to put the focus in us. So we want to know, this is where I am right now, and this is where I want to be in 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 2 months later, 1 year, 10 years from now, 15 years from now, 30. You've had even, you guys hear this when you go to companies. Why do you think some companies are successful and others are not? Because the leaders in those companies have what we call vision. They have planning. They have focus. They have the FCC. They exhibit this. You hear a company has a 30-year plan, growth plan, 30 years. Even in some countries, why are some countries broke while some countries are successful? It's because when you go to some countries, the leaders have vision. They have a 30-year development program, economic program, political program. They have a 30-year, 5-year plan. They have a short-term plans, long-term plans. Same thing in your life. You got to exhibit the same. You must have short-term goals, short-term and long-term goals. So the same thing with your dreams. You got to define them, and then you have to go into each dream and craft the goals, the things that you have to do every day, the activities. So you can put that into practice. Okay? So that's what we are talking about. Hold on a second. Who's that? Oh, okay. All right, so guys, that's basically what I'm talking about. You look at numbers. Look at these numbers now. Look at the numbers here. What does these numbers mean to you guys? 92%, 92%, 92%. Where on earth can you get 92%? 92% means when we were students, if you scored 92%, you are an A student. You're way up there. In the 90th percentile, you get an A, okay? That's like almost a perfect grade, okay? Principal honor roll, Dean's list, you make those lists. So this pocket option, for example, and other brokers, they're giving you 92% here. That means if I come in here and take a trade, let's say I say it's a call option, the green, or a sell option, the lower one here, which is the red. If I make that selection, that choice, and after the expiration of the trade, let's say 3-minute trade, if I am correct, I make 92%. So what does that mean? I put in $1. Okay, let's put a dollar amount here. Let's say I put $10. Okay. Now, $10, I'm out of this amount here. Okay, let's put one. No, this account is 965. So I'm going to use only 1% of my account to take a trade, because you don't want to risk more than 1% if you are trading OTCs. They are very volatile. So 965 is what's in the account right now. So I'm going to put 9.65. Okay, that's 1% of the account. So each trade I'm going to take would be a $9.65. So if I win, if I make the right selection, then I get 92%, which is 18.53. Profit is $8.88. Okay, so every $965 I put in, I make $8.88. So I put in 965, I get 1853. Guys, here's a question. How many times are you going to do that? All the time, right? As many times as possible. Now, the only problem is that there's no guarantee that you're going to do that. There's a 50% chance that you could lose this money, okay? And if you lose more than you win, you are going to lose. You're going to blow your account eventually, because you can see, guys, I am putting $9.65. When I win, I make $8.88. The brokers are very smart. That means I'm losing a few cents there, okay? Every time I lose and every time I win, when I win, I make $8.88. When I lose, I'm going to lose $9.65. So I stand to blow this account after some repeated trades. But you have to take a lot of trades to be able to blow that account, because we are using $1. So if I lose 100 times, then continuously, then I can blow this account. Now, what is the likelihood that I'm going to lose 100 times? If I have a 50% chance, what is the likelihood that I'm going to lose 100 times? It's not likely, okay? It is possible, but I don't think it's likely, okay, that soon. So that's why I tell you, when you're trading, you have to follow what we call proper risk management, okay? You don't want to risk more than you can afford to lose, okay? I cannot afford to lose $965. So I'm not going to risk all of that amount at the moment, because if I take a trade of $965 and it goes the other way and I lose my account, that is it. I lost what I cannot afford to lose. This is the only money we have to trade. So you have to guard this investment. You have to do your level best to guard this investment, following the best risk management principle. So we are following risk management 101 here, okay? So $9.65 is what you invest, and you when you win, you make $8.88, okay, $18.53, okay? So let's take a trade here. My student is going to take a trade, okay, because she has access to this on the other side, and let's see what happens. So the trade is, so what is she looking at? What are you looking at? Let's see if we have learned something here. Look at what's going on in the market. Okay, right now we have a line chart. Very difficult to tell what is going on. Maybe we can go back to the candles. Okay, there you go. So looking at the candles, what is the trend, guys? Because anytime you trade against the trend, you're likely to lose. So you can see this was a downward trend, literally downward. You can see it started from there. If you want to draw a trend line, you can do that. Here is a trend line. You guys can see that's a trend line. It went down, 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 and now it's trying to go up. If you draw a trend line, you can see that was a downward trend. There you go. And then let's try another one. Here you can see it breached. You can see that it breached that line there. Here's like some, I'm just showing how where to put the points of interest. These are called points of interest. Okay, let's just thicken these lines so everybody can see them. These are points of interest, guys. Okay, it doesn't tell us nothing much, but at least you know there's something here. Like there's a support here, and now it's going up. It was going down, and then it went up, and then it got here. It passed that, so it came back again, and now it's going up. So I think it's going up. So we're going to take an upward trade. So we're going to take just 1% of our account, and let's see what happens in 3 minutes. We see what happens, because the candles are 1 minute each. And we will see that in 3 minutes. If we change that to a line, this is what's happening here on the line chart. You can see what's happening on the line chart. This is how it looks on the line chart. The line chart doesn't tell you much, but you can see it shows us like here. You can see what's going on here. So right now it went under, it went below. Let's go back and let's see. We said we think it's gonna go up. Okay, so if we win, it's going up. Just using simple lines. We drew a line here, no indicators. We don't want to complicate things, guys, unnecessarily. We're just looking at what's going on in the market. So we just zoom out so we can see what happened previous, because historically the market is probably going to do exactly what it did last time. Okay, the market goes in cycles. It goes up, down, up, down. So ideally, when somebody is losing, somebody else is winning, somebody's losing, somebody's winning. When somebody is buying, somebody is selling. So it regulates itself. It's a natural balance. Okay. So right now you can see it is going up, right? You guys can see it's gone up. Okay. So other than the trades that she took earlier where she made some money, this one is in the money right now, but we still have a long time to go. Anything can happen here. Okay, so we cannot celebrate this. We cannot take this to the bank yet. Okay, because we still have like a minute or so to go, guys. So one critical element that you need to have to become a good trader is patience. Okay. As I talked about FCC, focus, confidence, and consistency. If you lack those, then you're going to lose your patience. You're going to be impatient. So like now you can see the market is threatening us. A red candle is forming, going down. Okay. So we could suffer from anxiety if we feel like this is going to take our market, our profit up. But it doesn't matter. If we lose, we're going to take another trade because we only risked 1% of our account. Okay. Now, some of you want to come in here and risk more than 1%. Then you're going to have a sick stomach when the market turns against you. You're going to lose your focus. You're going to lose your confidence, and you're going to lose your consistency. You're going to start trying to different strategies. Okay, it's in the money, guys. You can see that it is in the money. Booyah. Okay. So the strategy works. Consistency works. Focus works. Confidence works. Now, how do you acquire the confidence? By practicing this strategy many, many times. You cannot only come here and take one trade and see that you made money and then start trading that in the live account. You're going to blow your account because you don't have the confidence. You've not done this many times enough. You need to do that times enough. Okay? So guys, I'm going to change the gears now, and I've just shown you how to make money from 92%. Okay, that's basically how to make 92% and taking a simple trade. And of course, I'm going to show you, this is going to be the title of this video on YouTube, how to make 92% profit in 3 minutes, trading simple lines like this. And of course, I'm also going to add there how to exchange your crypto. Okay. Most people don't know how to do that. Okay. If you have Bitcoins lying around and you want to convert that into cash that you can spend using your debit card, how do you do that? A lot of people don't know how to do that. Okay. Or sometimes you have purchased some coins. Okay. Because your uncle told you this coin is going to blow out, and you spend some money, bought the coin, and now you don't know how to spend that coin. You can convert that coin into cash, and you can withdraw that to your bank, and you can start spending that in your bank, in your ATM, just like your usual dollars or whatever currency, your yen or your pounds or your euros. You can convert that into your local currency, and you can start spending that. So I'm going to just show you a quick example of what you can do. Okay. So I'm showing my student here. So I'm going to have her log in into her account, and let's see if we can find any of those tools that we're going to use. So one of the tools that you can use is called Changely. Okay. So let's go to Changely. And here is the site. It's called Changely. Okay. Okay. So you can go to Changely. This is one of the tools that you can use. Okay. So let's say you go to CoinGecko. let's say we come from CoinGecko, or assume this is your wallet, okay? Let's say you have a wallet. It doesn't matter what wallet you have. You have MetaMask, or you have another wallet. There are many wallets. Trust wallet. Let's see. I can Google the crypto wallets here and tell you guys what wallets are. So don't be lazy, okay? If you want to know how many wallets are out there, crypto wallets, there are many. All you have to do is, again, never ever give anybody your money without doing your research. So again, there are many crypto wallets. You can see they're right here. We have Ledger. Ledger actually is one that you can actually carry around with you. Trezor, Ledger, these are actually hard wallets. You actually get like a key, something that you carry, okay? And you can store your crypto that way so nobody can steal it from you. So you have Ledger, you have Trezor, Coinbase has a wallet, okay? The famous ones, the Exodus, Mycelium, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, fairly commonly used, BitGo. And then some of the platforms also have their own wallets. But guys, I'm not recommending any of them. Just do your own research, guys, okay? But the commonly ones that you probably have heard of are like Exodus, okay? It's a free platform, Exodus, and there are videos showing you exactly what to do with Exodus. So if you really need to know about these wallets, just go and do your own research. A simple YouTube search will give you a video showing you step by step on how to effect your crypto storage in any of these wallets. This is where you can store your crypto. Now, if it's not your keys, they say it's not your crypto. So if you're not controlling the keys and somebody else is controlling the keys, then you know that's not your crypto. They can go away anytime with your crypto. So always, again, as I say a million times, only risk money that you can afford to do what? To lose. I'm not giving you any financial advice, guys, or any legal or investment advice. I'm just telling you what, sharing with you my experience for educational purposes only and for your entertainment, guys. Anything before you take any step, if you are not sure, always seek professional advice, and of course find any licensed places to help you with this, okay? Because you stand to lose your investment or part of it if you do not follow the right process, okay? And don't be naive to the fact that some of these places can be here today and they can be gone the next minute, okay? So if, for example, you do not control the keys, then they say if not your keys, not your crypto, okay? So if you deposit your crypto in any of these guys and they're controlling the keys, just know that it's not your crypto. They can go away with it anytime, okay? So all you have to do is make sure you exercise proper risk, okay? So guys, again, there are many. All I wanted to do was to show you that there are many wallets out there. Just pick and choose one that you think is good for you, the purposes that you need, and it's something that you are happy with. Okay, so just do your research, okay? We got quite a number. Right now here, I just did a simple Google search, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, there's 9 of them right here. And these are big names, okay? These are easily, you can find a lot of information about this. MetaMask has been there for a very, very long time. Similarly, Exodus. Ledger, again, you know about Ledger. Trezor is one of the most well-known brands of hardware wallets, okay? So you actually have a hardware that you store they supply you with the hardware where you actually store your crypto and you control the keys, okay? Hardware wallets, we have Coinbase, again, this is through Coinbase, okay? Separate from the Coinbase that we know, they have a wallet, okay? Again, this is where you can store wallets. Basically means you can store your crypto there, okay? You can store and trade your crypto from there in terms of transfer your crypto from one place and back to your wallet. So wallet is like, literally like the wallet that you have that carries your debit cards and credit cards. So the same thing. And your money, or your coins, your dollar bills. So the same thing with these wallets. This is where you can store your various coins, okay? so that you have access to them anytime you need by using either a password and a key or a password, and always enable as much security features as possible so that somebody cannot hack onto your account very easily. Do not share your passwords. Again, do not store your passwords in places where somebody can come across them, and always activate the two-factor authentication. If they provide any extra security features, please take advantage of those. The more secure, the more features you have on your account, probably the more secure your account is than somebody who just uses a simple password, name and password. Okay, somebody can try to figure out your password. They can hack onto your computer, your cell phone, and they can grab your password and log into your account and transfer all your cryptos. You don't allow that to happen. So you can put the extra features, guys. And again, I said, this is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what you can do and what you can find out there. This is information that you can find out there. It's nothing new. All I'm telling you is things that my community does and what we do every day. Okay. Now, what happens to these companies? Nobody knows. Okay. I don't have control. Nobody has control. If anybody tells you anything, they're probably lying to you. Nobody knows. This company could be here today and next minute they could be out of here. Okay. So when you're storing your crypto in any of these wallets, just know you risk to lose your crypto. If you don't control the keys, then you know it's not your crypto. Okay, you're at the mercy. It's just like the way you put your money in the bank. The bank can wake up in the morning and collapse or file for bankruptcy, and you lose your finances. Okay, again, to a certain amount. Some places they tell you are insured up to a certain amount. So do your due diligence and follow and read their papers and see how much. If you put so much, let's say, crypto in one wallet, how much are you insured up to? So are you willing to take that risk? You know what I mean? So find out things like that, okay, before you commit yourself to one or two or three of these wallets, so you know exactly what are the consequences in case you stand to lose your crypto, or if anything happens to the company, how are you going to retrieve your crypto, or how are you going to, because we've seen what has happened in the crypto world. Recently we had like big platforms go under, either because of lawsuits or because of regulations or because they just collapsed. FTX, Terra Luna, people lost lots of money. Okay, so all these things, you cannot be oblivious of this, naive. Open your eyes and see what is going on in the world, in terms of the financial world, the markets. Some institutions are collapsing, banks, and you can see again what happened. You know, we learn from mistakes like that. We learn from history. You see what happened there. How was that sorted out? Did people lose their bitcoins? Did they lose their? Some people literally lost their life savings, lost their lives, entire savings, entire accounts, when big companies like Terra Luna, FTX, all those come crumbling down, and many Celsius, okay, people lost money, okay, lost their cryptos, life savings, lives were changed when those catastrophic things happen. Of course, and then of course, pay attention to what is going on the political side, the law, the regulators, what they're saying, the markets, so at least you know what is going on. Okay, so guys, once let's say you have your coin. Okay, so this coin X, for example, you have a certain coin. Let's go back to, let's say, CoinGecko, where we can look at coins. So let's say for some reason, a few weeks ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 2 years ago, 10 years ago, maybe 5 years ago, you decided you had purchased some. Let's say you had purchased this, let's say a coin here. Let's say like this coin here, Leo token. So for example, you purchased Leo token a few months or weeks ago. Okay, it says buy and sell. If you go to CoinGecko, you see Leo token is going up. You are interested, you purchased it, okay, and it shows you where to purchase it. Okay, so you purchased it. Okay, now you have it in your wallet. So let's say your wallet is MetaMask, okay, or Exodus, okay. So you have your Leo token in Exodus. Now you want to exchange that into dollars so you can spend it. So what you do is you come here, Changely, okay, you go ahead and create an account, okay. You can just open an account in Changely and you can say exchange. So again, you come here and search for your coin. So let's say Leo, and you can see Leo is right here, and it is an ERC20. This is very important, guys. So ERC20 means the transaction is going to take place on the Ethereum network, okay? Because some coins have both Ethereum, some use other chains, Tron chain, Polygon. So you have to pay attention to any little denominations that come with your coin. So the Leo here, for example, we looked at Leo, okay, which says Leo token, okay, that's the Leo token, LEO. So let's say we want to convert that. So we had purchased some Leo and we want to change that Leo to a local currency so we can change it into our cash. So we can convert it into, let's say, USDC coin again. So it has to be an ERC, okay? So we're going to select that, okay? So we're going to come here. We're going to convert our Leo into USDC. Pretty simple. Are we together, guys? All right. And you're going to hit exchange now, okay? All right. So now where are we sending this USDC? So let's say my student here has a Coinbase account, okay? So she goes to Coinbase. My student has a Coinbase account. So she's going to come to Coinbase and look for USDC. Okay, there is USDC coin. And she's going to do what we call transfer. So she's going to receive crypto. So you hit transfer, receive crypto, and the Coinbase is going to give you a address. So you're going to copy that address. And you're going to come back to Changely, and this is where you're going to put your address. Boom. There we go. Now you have to check these numbers, make sure they are correct. If they are not correct, you are going to lose your coin. So make sure these numbers match. So most likely, I usually look at the last four and the first four. So I'll come here and look at the last four. 782D. I come here and look at that. 782D. And then I look at the first four, OX7B, and I come back here, OX7B. Good. So we are in the right track here. Okay. So now once you put that, you're going to click next step. Okay. So that's the wallet address. Okay. Now here you have to put a minimum amount you can send. They tell you the minimum. Okay. So let's say if you have 2,000. Okay, so let's say I just have the minimum. Okay, so I'm going to put the minimum there. Let's say if you have more, you can put the quantities. Whatever you have, you just put the quantity there. Whatever you have, let's say you have 2,000 Leos that you want to, okay, the max is 1,000. Okay, so let's say a max is 1,000 that you can transfer, you can exchange today is 1,000. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. And then Leo USDC. And I'm going to show you another method. Okay, so this is method number one. First, we go to Changely so we can convert this exotic coin. Now, this coin, why are we doing it on Changely? It's because, let's say if you go to Coinbase and you search for Leo, you do not find Leo, for example. Okay, Leo is here. For example, there was no Leo. I do see Leo here. Now it says not supported on Coinbase. So you see that? So Leo is not supported on Coinbase. And that's why we have to change it to a coin that is supported on Coinbase. And why did I choose USDC? Why didn't I choose Solana XRC? It's because Coinbase, for those of you who have Coinbase, okay, especially those people who are in the United States, if you have a Coinbase account, you know that Coinbase will allow you to convert. It uses USDC as its currency to transact. So if you want to convert your crypto into cash where you can withdraw it to your debit account or your bank account, it has to be in the form of USDC, and it is free to do that. Okay, so that's why you can see I'm doing a Leo to USDC conversion. Okay, so that once this USDC hits my Coinbase, I don't have to do any other transactions other than just transfer the USDC to my debit account. And that's what I'm showing my student here. So once her USDC hits the Coinbase account, she can simply just withdraw that into her debit account, debit card or bank account, and she can start spending that money. Now, the other thing, Coinbase also gives you a debit card. Okay, so you can literally transfer this Leo. I mean, you can exchange this Leo. It's just an example, guys. Okay, I'm not recommending Leo. I'm not recommending any of these things. As I said, this is a total disclaimer. This is just sharing the experience, things that I will do, things that my community does, things that we have done and we do every day. Okay, so if you have a coin here and you don't know how to spend the coin, you want to sell the coin and use the money for something else or you want to buy another coin, so you have to exchange it to another coin and purchase another coin, and it's probably it's not supported by one platform, supported by another platform. These are the things that you're going to do. So I'm just teaching you something. This is pro information. We teach this to our advanced students who pay a lot of money for this, okay? And I'm giving this guide to you for free. I'm giving it to you guys for free, okay? So make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we decided during the pandemic we're going to share a lot of information with our brothers and sisters and help them put money on the table for their families, okay? It touched close to our heart. So we are doing this for free just because we want to help 1,000 people get to that $1 million mark. So make sure you subscribe so you can be one of those 1,000 people, okay? Join our communities. Now, if you want to be trained one-on-one by any of our coaches, we have coaches from all over the world, okay? If you want to be trained one-on-one by our coaches, there is social contacts in the description. You can join our Telegram group. If you don't like Telegram, there's a WhatsApp group. If you don't like WhatsApp, we have an Instagram. If you don't like Instagram, we have a private Facebook group. If you don't like that, you can send an old email. If you want to send the email the old way, we have an email address in the description. Send an email and say you want one-on-one, and one of our coaches is going to get back to you and start working with you, okay? Now, we only work with serious individuals because our time is extremely valuable and it may cost you some money to be coached one-on-one, okay? That is out there because we want you to have the skin in the game. We have done it for free in the past and people don't take it seriously. You get tire kickers, you get procrastinators, you get losers, everybody, curious lookers, curious students who are not serious. Okay, our time is extremely valuable, so you have to go through some form of filtration. We're going to filter out the chaff and get the real stuff. We only work with a few students and we help them to get to that level. Okay, that's why we're only looking for 1,000 people in the whole entire world for the next year. Okay, only 1,000 people out of billions of people in the world, out of billions of people who have access to the internet. Okay, just see, it's a stiff competition and you have to be ready to go day one. Okay, no tire kickers, no procrastinate. If you're not ready, next time. Okay, but go ahead and take that chance. Subscribe to this channel, guys, and you also benefit from the free trainings. Like and share these videos. Okay, and if you want to support somebody, let us know too. Okay, because some people, this is not for you. Okay, you like what you do already, but you want to support somebody that you know, then let us know. Okay, we can always find a way of working with you. Okay, because brothers helping brothers, that's what we are doing, man. Just helping brothers and sisters make that bread. Okay, so right now you can see, guys, so once you hit your Leo, you have your USDC there. Your wallet address is right there. So you go to the next step. Okay. Now it's going to ask you to confirm and make payment. Okay. You send 1,000 Leo, you get 3,526 USDC. Okay. Now, 1 USDC is about $1 equivalent. Okay. So now what is going to happen is the Leo that you're going to send into Changely is going to be converted into USDC, and Changely is going to forward that USDC to your Coinbase account. Very simple principle, right? So Changely is just working like a bridge. It's like a bridge. Okay. So you confirm and make payment. Okay. So you come here, and here is a very, very important address, guys. Okay, so this is the Changely address that accepts Leo, and it is an ERC20. Very important. It's going to go through the Ethereum blockchain, guys. Okay, now this may sound like Greek for some of you. This is the simplest form of training that you can ever have from any one of us. Okay, this is bare bone training. This is like the basic of the basics. Okay, if you need help on this one, please get in touch with us, comment below, whatever you have to do, guys, so we can help you with it. This is free training, and we're going to help you do this for free, okay? So you copy that. All right, so once you copy that address, where do you take this address? Now, this is where you're going to go to your wallet, wherever you have stored your Leo, okay? Wherever you purchased your Leo, this is where you're going to take this address. Not on Coinbase. Coinbase is where you want to get your USDC. But let's say you have one of these wallets. Okay, you have Exodus, Trust, Mycelium, BitGo, Ledger, MetaMask. So let's say it's MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Let's not say Coinbase wallet. Let's say Ledger. Okay, you have the Leo in your Ledger, stored in your Ledger. But now you want to find a way of spending your Leo. You want to use your Leo to purchase something, or pay for an emergency, or do a repair, or gift somebody, or buy another crypto, and you didn't know how to go about it. So all you have to do is just follow those 3 steps. Okay, so you go to Ledger, log on to your Ledger account, and this is where you're going to do the transfer. So you're going to be sending your Leo from Ledger to this address right here. Okay, right there. Leo to Ledger to this address. And then from here, you're going to, once you copy that, that's all. Send funds to the address below. You copy the address, and this is it. So you copy that address, and that's it. You just go to your wallet. Okay, so let's say for example, for whatever sake, that Leo was on your account. Let's say your MetaMask account. Then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go to your MetaMask account, log in, and just send the Leo to that address. And then once that's accepted, so now they're waiting for my Leo to arrive. Okay, so once my Leo arrives, this is gonna, and they inform you all the way. It's gonna tell you exactly. Wait for your transaction to be complete, and it's gonna show you your transaction completed. And again, this time here is gonna depend on how the blockchain is busy. Sometimes it's very busy, it takes a little longer. Sometimes it is very fast, few minutes to even half an hour. It can take as long as 1 minute to half an hour. Okay, so, or even longer, but most of the time it's pretty rapid, pretty fast. Okay, so once that happens, then you're going to come back to your Coinbase. Once you get an alert, Coinbase will alert you that you've received so much USDC deposited in your account. Then you can just come and verify, and you'll find that on your assets. Okay, so my student here, she will come to her assets and she'll look for USDC. And of course, she can find her USDC in there. So let's say you have USDC is the digital USD, okay, right there. And you can now send that to, convert that to US dollar, okay? So if you receive the 3,000, whatever USDC, you can convert that into US dollar. And once you have received that into US dollar, you can cash it out. Okay, so here cashing out is basically you can send that to you add cash. Sorry, you can cash it out here by put the amount there, how much you want to cash out. If it's 1,000, whatever you want to spend, you can cash it out, and you hit continue, and then it allows you to pick your bank account or debit card, whatever you want to cash it out to. Or you can take it to your card, a Coinbase card, and you can start using their card, debit card, to spend the money. That's all you have to do, guys. So that was that long process, but I can show you a shorter process. Let's say, for example, you have a coin that is actually listed on Coinbase. So let's say you have Solana. Okay, so you have Solana. You have Solana in your wallet. Okay, one of these wallets, one of your wallets has Solana that you need to spend. Okay, and you don't know how to spend it. So you come to MetaMask. Okay, you log on to your wallet or Exodus, and you're going to send your Solana to Coinbase account. Okay, again, so you're going to say transfer, and you're going to receive Solana. Okay, so it tells you here's the address to send it. So you're going to copy that, take it to your wallet, okay, and paste that address to your Exodus wallet or Trust wallet or BitGo, and hit send. And once it arrives here, once your Solana arrives here, then you're going to do what we call convert. Okay, so you're going to convert your Solana. Let's say you are 10 Solana, you're going to convert them into USDC. Okay, there we go. So from Solana, okay, my student has about several Solanas here available. You can convert that. Okay, so preview convert, and then you're going to hit convert. Okay, so it's going to convert your Solana into USDC. Okay, there you go. Order was submitted, done. So now if you go to assets, you're going to see that now she has that 901. So there was a small fee in conversion there that they took. So you have $9, which you can now send to convert to USD. Okay, so that 901 is going to be converted into US dollar, and you're going to say US dollar from USDC to USD wallet. So you're converting the whole amount and place order. So you're going to see that it's going to shift to the US dollar, and you can see now here we have 9 UL, and then you can cash that out if you like. So now we have $9 that we can cash out. So continue. You can say cash out $9. Okay, so it's now cash. It's now in the cash form. Okay, so we have $9, and you're gonna say cash out all. Continue, and now you can choose where you want to send it. Okay, you can send it to your account, checking account, or you can send it to instantly your debit card with a small fee, very small fee, like 55 cents. Okay, so you can send that out right away by just clicking that, and it goes away. Now, if you want to do the free one, you can do the 1 to 3 business day checking, goes to your account, or you can put it to PayPal. If you want to send the money to PayPal, you can send that to PayPal, and you can start spending it. Now, if you want to put that on your card, again, the Coinbase gives you a card, and you can add funds, paying with USDT, or you can say pay with another one. You can use a different okay, here you see it says pay with wallet, so you have that $9 wallet. There you go. So you can pay that using your wallet. Okay, so you just say pay wallet, pay with wallet. There you go, and you just add funds. There we go. There we go. So you're gonna put that order preview, buy now. There we go. So now the card has some funds that you can use to spend, guys. So I think that was easy. If you have any questions, because some people are asking, why would you do all this? Well, it's because you have a coin here on your left hand, on your wallet. You have a coin, one of those coins like Leo or any other coin. I'm just taking an example. Let's say there are thousands of coins, guys, and a lot of people are buying all types of coins. And why I'm answering this question, I'm taking time to answer this, is because a lot of my students are asking me, oh, I have this OKB, I don't know what to do with it. Okay, I have OKB coin. Okay, all right, you have OKB. Okay, now what do you want to do? I want to spend it. I have an emergency. I want to spend the money. So how do I go about it? Very simple. I just showed you the steps. From your wallet, convert your OKB into USDC if you're using Coinbase, okay, or USDT, depending on whatever platform you're using. Convert it into a useful, stable coin, USDC or USDT, okay? Those are called stable coins, okay? They are almost one-to-one with the US dollar, okay, or your whatever currency there. And now that allows you to convert your coin, crypto coin, into your local currency. That way you can spend it using your debit card or your checking account. So because there's no use of you having this crypto here on the wallet, but you don't know how to spend the crypto. You don't know how to use it. You don't know how to exchange it so you can make use of it. Because some places do not accept your crypto. Or you have a crypto, OKB, but whichever merchant, you go online, you want to make a payment, and they can only accept Bitcoin, for example, or Ethereum, or Solana, or DAO. They do not accept this little known coin that you have. Okay, so how are you going to use that? How are you going to go around that? The only way to do that is if you have your Cosmos and you want to change that into Bitcoin, again, we're going to do the same thing. We come to Changely. Okay, I have Cosmos, so I got Cosmos. All right, I have Cosmos Osmo or Cosmos Atom. You got to make sure which one you have in your wallet. And I have minimum here is 3.6. So let's say I have 100. I have 100 Cosmos, and I want to convert those into Bitcoin so I can spend, because I have an ATM card that can withdraw Bitcoin, or I have a merchant who accepts Bitcoin, but they don't accept Atom. So what do? This is what you're going to do. You have to exchange your Atom into Bitcoin and put it on your card or whatever wallet you're using. So that way you can spend it. You have access to your funds. So these are questions that are coming up in our group, and that's why I'm trying to address them publicly for the benefit of the public. So guys, if you enjoy this training and if you like about training and you want to learn more about this crypto trading, crypto, buying crypto, making money with crypto online, pocket options, binary options trading, Forex trading, stocks and stock options trading, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, okay? We want to grow that channel to 5,000, okay? And with your help, we can get there. Why? Somebody's asking me, why 5,000? Why not 10,000? The more, the better, because the higher the chances that we're going to find those 1,000 people that we are talking about, okay? YouTube has a way of reaching people. The YouTube algorithm works by numbers, okay? If you have more subscribers, you're getting more views, more likes, more shares, then they spread your message to more people, because it seems like people are enjoying your content. So they're going to show that to a lot more brothers and sisters. And that way we have more subscribers, we have more likes, more shares. It enters a cycle, a vicious cycle, okay? And then it increases the chances of our community growing with the right type of people, because you want to join a community where we have the right same kind of mindset. People who want to make money online and grow and enjoy the freedoms. I know most of you want to travel, want to have good life. You're going to take care of your families, take care of your health, And a lot of you want to enjoy the freedom. Some of you even want to quit the job. You don't like what you do. The only way you can do that is finding other sources of income to take care of your expenses. Now, these techniques, if you learn some of these strategies that we are teaching you online every day, we share these videos for free every day, you are going to be at a better place, okay? They say life is not going to change unless you change yourself, okay? And they say insanity is doing the same thing over and expecting a different result. You are not going to get the same result next year if you do the same things you did this year. The result is going to be the same or worse off if you don't change. Now, I think I'm going to end it here. Comment, like, share this, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you for applying this knowledge, and thank you for opening that demo account on Pocket Options and practicing the strategy that I showed you in the beginning. If you have just joined this video, this training, go back and watch from the beginning. See how easy it is to make that bread online following very simple strategies. And of course, remember, always do not invest monies that you cannot afford to lose. And if you need professional advice, seek that from some licensed individuals. None of us here is giving you any professional, financial, legal, or investment advice. We are sharing our experiences, and there are no guarantees that if you do the same things that we are doing, you're going to be successful or you're going to get rich quickly. There are no get-rich-quick schemes around here. Thank you, guys. And with that, have a nice day. Good night, good morning, and goodbye. See you in the next training, which will be tomorrow.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out.